Hey everybody, more magician here. Welcome to all you magicians. Today we're going to be doing the Firework Spell that was done in season 1, episode 4, when Quentin was put in the crazy house, or the not crazy house, but the proper term is mental institution. And like always, we're going through a history spell followed by a demonstration and then the step-by-step instruction. Now this is when he was trying to show Julie that what he was story I'm looking for. Well, okay, let's just be real with it. He wasn't crazy. He wasn't wrong. This was all some fantasy. Something had to be done because everything around him was corrupted, and so he just needed some proof. Something like, hey, magic is real. Stop treating me like I'm crazy or something's wrong with me. Okay. And the movements for the spell were actually very interesting. It's a very simple spell, like he said, he picked it because it was simple enough to show the effect that magic was real, and it's quick and easy. So I actually learned it after watching it twice. I think I'm coming to that point where if I see a spell, I'm already starting to bring like, okay, do that, okay. So you guys are definitely helping me become a better magician, and that's why I'm giving it to you, like Marina. Now that I have this knowledge, I'm going to share it with you all, okay? So first, you want to start with the demonstration. All right, here we go. Yeah, see, that was it. I really like this one, but I'm doing it again. Here we go. Okay. So I think hands wouldn't matter for the end result, but just in case, still do it with your right hand, because you know some hand movements, it can be very different. You can different. If you do it with your left hand, you may get an alligator coming out your hand, you be sitting there like, oh, oops. But you never know, so we're going to stick with the right hand, everyone, okay? This one, so first, start with your prayer hands, but this time, have them face forward, so they look like you're pointing, like, not everybody was like, boy, like that, but this time do it with both hands, put your hands together, and do boy, okay? After that, roll both your hands inside and then rotate your hand to the bottom. So so essentially you're flipping your hands. So you went from here to doing this, but you went from here, push them inwards, go down here, thumbs together right here, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Roll it back. Then keep your right hand open. Ball up your left hand to your right hand. Slightly bend your fingers on your right hand. Open them again. Stretch your hand all the way near. I'm keeping my hand in frame, but stretch your hand all the way up to the high as you can. Don't want the fireworks next to your face. High as you can. Open your hands again, and the fireworks will come out your hands. Okay. So let's go through it together. We're going to do it a little bit slow. So start from prayer hands. Roll them in. Together. Thumbs together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ball up the left hand. Right hand still open. Crunch. Extend. Reach. Crunch. Extend. Alright, let's speed it up a little bit this time. See, it takes practice. Alright, there you go. If you guys, of course, still have any questions, let me know. I'm still on vacation. The idea of the stream is still out there, so if I should still stream for the season premiere, we can all watch it together. I mean, even if it's by myself, I still have stream up, so you can just stop by whenever. Just see, like, do you guys want that, or you guys should wait, but it's up to you guys. You guys make this channel, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. Like and subscribe.